this week's video, I'm going to be making a macaroni salad. These are the ingredients that you will need for this macaroni salad. You're going to need your elbow macaroni pasta, some shredded carrots, your sweet relish, your mayonnaise, sweet corn, your granulated sugar, your ranch dressing, onion, and your bell peppers. I have chosen to go with 3 different colors of bell peppers. You can go with 2 or 1, whichever you choose, but for today's video I'm going to be using red, green, and yellow bell peppers. So if you guys would like to see how I go about making this dish, stay tuned. Okay, so for the first step, you're going to boil your pasta. So you're going to take a large pot, fill it with water, add some salt to it, and let it come to a boil before you add your pasta. Okay, so while our water is coming to a boil, we're going to go ahead and pre-prep our ingredients. So we're going to put all this stuff to the side that we don't need right now. Okay, so our water is coming to a little boil, so we're going to add some salt. We have our onion chopped and diced. We have our yellow peppers, our green peppers, and our red peppers. So now all we have to do is just wait for our pasta. All we have to do is wait for our pasta to boil, and then we can go ahead and mix all our ingredients together. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I changed the pot because I did decide that I'm going to make the entire box of the elbow pasta. So the water is boiling, so we're going to go ahead. We have already added our salt, so we're going to go ahead and add our box of pasta. Okay guys, so our macaroni is finished cooking. We strained it, drained off the water off of it, and allowed it to cool. Now we're going to add it to the container that we're going to mix all our ingredients into. Okay, so we're going to start by adding our onion. Next, we're going to add our shredded carrots. And now add your corn. Here's sweet relish. And you're gonna add your ranch. Okay guys, there you have it, macaroni salad. You can definitely season as you go. So if you want it to be more sweet, you could add more sugar, or if you want that tangy taste, you could add more relish. But this is the final product.